All right, as you can see, you got the white truck behind me. It is painted up. It has been a long road to get here, and I'm gonna show you guys how we did it. Check it out. All right, you guys, I think tonight is the night. It's a Tuesday. It's like 6 o'clock right now. Long day at work, but just decided, you know what? I gotta get this thing done, at least the main body of it. So we're gonna get it knocked out tonight. I don't know how late I'll be here, but I'm not leaving until it's cleared. That's a fact. So we got it in the booth. I've been going, you know, since you guys haven't seen it in a while. I know this video has been like 3 weeks since the last one, maybe even probably a month by the time it comes out. But got it all prepped out more, masked it up, got the stripe masked up. And so we were just ready to rock. I'm not gonna do the hood right now. I really just wanna focus on anything that has a stripe, because this tape's been on here already too long. I really wanna get it off. I don't wanna peel up any candy, or if we do, it's just, oh, I don't even want to say that right now, but if it happens, we're gonna figure it out, but it's really gonna set us back. So I wanna get this, you know, the whole side, with anything with the stripe, I wanna get it cleared, locked in, done. Then we gotta come back, paint the hood, paint the mirrors, bumpers, grill, you know, emblems, lights, everything. But so much stuff, I'm not gonna do it on this one. So I'm gonna, you know, I got this side wrapped up. I'm gonna wrap up the other side, and we'll catch back up when I start spraying a little sealant. All right, got the booth running. It's all masked up, wiped it down 3 times, so it's looking pretty clean. I'll run you in there, probably turn the sound off, it's gonna be pretty loud. We got our METALFLAKE UG white base. Then we got the pearl here, the top coat, all hooked up by nice paint. So if you're in the NorCal area, need some paint, hit them up, tell them Chad at RT sent you, they hooked it up with this. So I'm getting ready to mix this up. We can start spraying. Boom. Great. So as you can see, I did a little shadowing under the stripe there. Now I'm gonna do the pearl over it, so it'll help disguise it a little bit. It won't be as pronounced as it is now. So I'm gonna get my pearl mixed up and just start laying those coats down. All right, we got the pearl sprayed, looking pretty even. I'm gonna unmask this stripe and let's hope that it doesn't peel any of the candy off.
Looks Avery.
I did 2 coats and like a drop coat to try to let it shadow. You wanna do it or
Yeah, I forgot to take the shadow into the candy right there.
Well, I haven't forgot. I mean, now is the time to do it.
Yeah, it has to be unmasked to do it.
I just don't. No, I'll do it. I'm gonna mix a little black in my I'll just do a little interstage in there,
Mm-hmm.
and then it'll take like another 5 minutes. Look how close that got right there. Oh, see it right there? I'll have to cut that off. There it is, there it is. First time seeing it with the silver border unmasked. Got my little shadow, which you barely can see. Now, it's time for clear. Just kidding, I ain't clearing it. I straight up lied. I'm not gonna do it. It's like, what time is it, Ron?
1250.
12:50. And I don't know, I wanna make sure I lay it out. So I'm gonna come in the morning. We'll just do a quick clear and run the bake on it. It'll be done in like an hour. But overall, pretty pumped with how it's looking. So I might do a little shadow here. I'm not sure. So that's kind of why I don't want to do it tonight, because I want to do a little more. I'm just getting burned out right now. So see you guys tomorrow. Got it cleared. The truck is done. Gonna need a little polish, but that's kind of normal. You have that on these big jobs, you know. But I'm gonna get this thing unmasked. We'll back it out in the sun. Check it out. I'm gonna clear that little box.
Damn. That looks sick.
Pops pretty hard, huh? Woo! All right, tried to catch the last little bit of sun. Rolled the windows up, set the handles in it so we can get a little look at it. But man, it's looking pretty good. It's kind of windy out here. When we get some good sun, this thing really pops. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Hope you liked a little bit of paint. I know it's probably a fast video. Was just busy grinding, getting that paint done. But want to get something out here for you guys. You know, I haven't been just laying low. I've been out here working. Next video, we'll probably be doing all this color match. I got, you know, here's some of the parts. I got tons of stuff ready to roll here. So we'll be doing that. Then we can start putting this thing together and get it looking like something. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Give it a like. We'll see you guys on the next one.